Hey guys, welcome to the YouTube channel. So this is the first time I was doing the video on my business. So today I was going to the shipment for the Netherlands shipment. That was the 200 pieces T-shirt was going to be at Netherlands by DHL. So the whole day I was passed out. I was going at the factory and I was show the how to the packaging, how to the QC, and how to the deliver the products from Bangladesh to others country. So that's why this is the video. I just want to show the whole processing of the business of the T-shirt. How can I the shipment and others country. So first time I was going to the factory. So that was the 1 hour long journey. So everything I show you by one, and so watch till the video until the end. I hope so you like this video because it was the very learnable video. So watch it. Now I am in the road. This is the road, and there is no one because of it was the morning 6 a.m. So it was the very early morning in Bangladesh, and people wake up in our country mostly 10 a.m. because of they are very relaxable person. The road was empty and everything was empty right now. So from my home to my office, it was take 1 hour distance. That's why I have to catch up the bus, and then I have to go to the office, and then I show you then how can the product poly, how can show how can packing one by one packing, everything I will show you today about my T-shirt shipment. And it was a long day, long time I was thinking about it. I making video about this shipment. Okay, so see you there. And this is called rickshaw. So it was the COVID-19 time, coronavirus time. So that's why we have to wear the mask always for the go outside. And this is the rickshaw. It was available in our place always. It's called a national vehicle. After 1 hour journey, we I reach my warehouse. This is my warehouse, and there are 4,500 pieces Tommy Hilfiger and also other T-shirt was stock in my house. So today was the shipment at Netherlands, so that's why I arranged the product by ratio. It was 6 pieces blister, so that's why I just put it from the one and one color from the carton, and one by one, and arranged the product was at the floor. And after that I was packing the product for the Netherlands. That product was one by one poly, but for the customs requirement, so that's why we are the blister. The product is 6 pieces is one blister. That means every sizes in one blister. Okay, so that is the all kind of color of the t-shirt. And there was the rubber print, and also the pigment print is available. And it was the GSM was 160 170 plus GSM. And also the product, the measurement was the Europe measurement. So that is the main point of this product. This is the Tommy Hilfiger, and that's why it was have a good demand in UK, because of this product is made it by original fabric, and it was yarn dyeing, knitting dyeing. So, and that's why this is the poly condition. See that the poly condition, and this is the hand tech. The packet is 90 kg, 12 gram. So it was 105 pieces in a carton. This one also, this is called it was called 20 kg almost, because of it was 5/4, and it is 110 pieces, maybe 5 pieces. So this is the packing, and the product was the ready for the shipment today. Thank you so much. Hard case. To the DHL office. So after delivery the product at DHL office, I just came back my office, and in that case, in the middle point of the road, I just eat something, which was the delicious pizza and also coffee with something new. It was really delicious. So anyway, this is my day which I was doing. This is my working day, so that's what that kind of work I was doing every day. This is my city, and it's really fantastic city in Dhaka city. Many people lives here, and also they are always busy to work. And most important was, this is my first shipment, my third shipment in coronavirus, but I was doing by own hand in my first time. So please stay home, please be safe, have a good day.